Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today, the December 14th, we will continue to track the euro currency. Well, on the Monday's analysis, I said that during the previous week market just calling because the trading range were really not very impressive. So this was Friday's trading day was inside trading day for the Thursday trading day. Here was very tight range of trading, so market just stays in direction, choosing the direction. I said that we can count on some explode on the market during the coming week. So although I expect that this could happen during the FOMC meeting, it has happened yesterday. So market has shown nice thrust to the upside. Intraday thrust here we can see a strong bar to the upside that engulfs almost the previous whole week. Market strongly moves above the weekly pivot point and has reached the weekly pivot resistance 1 right here. Also, by the way, this is the weekly, in this area, monthly pivot point. It's 134.18. So I do not have it in this chart, but it's right here. What we can see now, first of all, this is blue line, this level of overbought on the market, and we can see that market currently not in this condition, not in the overbought area. Also just above the market, this very strong area of resistance that we have talked about numerous of times. So this 134.55, 134.60 is right here. Also this blue line is the 618 expansion from this AB leg, from this ABC pattern, ABC bottom. 618 expansion is around 134.43. So this is area of confidence, resistance and agreement. This is the next target that I think market should reach, maybe today, maybe in nearest time. Because when the logical profit objective just above the market, I expect that market should hit it before showing some meaningful retracement. Also taking note, by the way, I also have talked about this in the previous researches, that this target is just above the previous highs. So, as you know, guys, the public like to place stops just above the swing highs. This is most unwelcome place, because when the logical profit objective just above this previous extremes, we can say that this extreme has a great probability that this extreme will not hold and market break it to the upside. Stops that has been placed right in this area will add fuel to this move, and I can't exclude that market can reach even weekly pivot resistance 2 right here, 135.29. It's just above the confidence resistance, so market can show some penetration, piercing of this area due to stops that has been placed in this area. Well, this is all about the daily time frame. Let's shift it to the lower time frames. This is hourly time frame of the euro currency, so we can see this our butterfly that I have talked about in the weekly research, and this 1618 expansion from this high to this low of this butterfly is right here, 134.16, and market has hit it already. It's right here. Small market has broken above the weekly pivot resistance 133.18. Also this is monthly pivot point. So market has hit resistance. Well, in general, if butterfly works, it works perfect. If butterfly fails, it fails miserably. So what I talked about, what does it mean miserably? So it means that market, if it will fail, it will not work at all. So market can just break it to the upside and continue move further to the upside. This butterfly's failing. But currently market has accomplished this. Butterfly has reached the monthly pivot point and shows some retracement, shallow retracement to the downside. Well, we can, if you are bullish and you have the bullish view on this market, couple of things that will be important for you. First of all, you can wait for some retracement to the downside. One thing that you would not like to see is if market will returns below the weekly pivot point around 134.71. If it will happen, it means that butterfly starts to work, and the target of this butterfly, as you know already, is 1618 expansion to the downside from this low to this high. This guy's very solid move. It's around 129.88. This is the target of the butterfly sale if it will start to work. But I have some feelings that market still should hit the daily target around 134.43 before any price action to the downside can develop, because this target is just above the 50 pips above the current market. Now let's take a look at another picture. This is also the same daily time frame. What do we see here? This line is the triangle upper border that has been marked break to the upside. Green line is the 3x3 moving average. This is 3 periods, simple moving average shifted forward for 3 periods. I show you it because some of you can treat this current price action as a possible double repo sell. Well guys, although the trust is very nice, market has hit resistance, we have the context for the double repo. This is not actually the double repo because there's too much consolidation in this between two range. So I do not want to treat it like a double repo. Maybe double repo look like, because it's can close below, close above. You need the close below to trigger this pattern, but I still think that it's just the ABC retracement, not the double repo. I prefer to see the strong moves of the double repo near tops. Here tops is very big difference between them, and too much consolidation between the penetrations. So for me this is not the double repo. But look at another picture. Look at this pattern. A, B, C top. If C point in place, so we assume that it's not, market will not move higher to form the C point. We have C 100% expansion from these ABCs, 133.35. This is also 3.8 fib support from this low to this high, from the whole swing to the upside. This could be the possible area to watch for if you would like to enter on the long side, if you are bullish with the stops just below this area. This is the 618 support, 132.73, and weekly pivot point. This is absolutely logical stop order, because if market will start to break it to the downside, you understand that you are wrong. And this is relatively tight stops, about 60 pips. So in this case, if market will start to break it to the downside, you can reverse your position and possess yourself for the possible target of the butterfly sell around 129.88. So the couple of scenarios. So that being said, I still expect that market should hit the 134.43 target, because it's just above the market, the previous highs. I think that market makers would like to clear those previous stops, and just above the market is strong area of resistance. So be aware of the possible failure of the market there. So we can expect some washing rings, maybe railroad tracks, some engulfing patterns, or maybe it could be even the head and shoulders on the hourly chart. Market shows the head. This could be the, for example, left shoulder, head, could be the right shoulder, and market starts to accelerate to the downside. Is also possible. So be prepared for failure in this area around 134.60, 134.40 area, because this strong area of daily resistance, daily targets, and the previous highs is there. But if market before that will show some ABCD retracement to the downside, this area is very nice for the possible enter on the long side if you are bullish with the stops just below this area. If you are bearish, you better wait how market will respond to this area of strong daily resistance. If it will fail there, wait for some weakness, wait for some sell signals in this area to possess yourself to the deeper retracement on the daily time frame.